contested by Benito. Ancheta. Back step to Luan Latigay. Oh! Nagkabanggaan si Benito, si De Banadera para sa regalo. Sabi ni Sasa, akin yun.
It happens. It happens. At least they are trying to hustle for the ball. And let's see if Coach Roger Gorayev likewise will go to different combinations dito sa second set. But first things first, yung reception has to improve here for the Ladies Tags.
Well, ito si Sasa De Banadera. Really jumped high for that but collided with Benito in mid-air. Here comes Benito. Off the block.
Good,
yes.
Good. Check ball here. Benito is the leading scorer so far for San Sebastian with 5 points. But after her, Latigay only with 3. And Boli, the big-time scorer, contained to only 2 points.
That was in the first set. Of course, titignan natin po kung makakainit na po si Boli. At ito si Latigay dito sa ating second set. Served there by Sasa De Banadera. Di makulangan, back set ngayon for Aiza Maiso. That never cleared the net. A very bad start for UST here in set number 2.
This was the same way we started. Set number 1, San Sebastian off to a small lead. UST suddenly caught fire dun sa midpoint nung first set. But let's see if San Sebastian is able to recover its character here. It is very crucial set number 2.
Di makulangan in the air for Balse. Ancheta on coverage. Latigay from behind the attack line is Boli. That one is long.
She is not connecting so far. Off target. Too much power. At kulang sa wrist action para mapababa yung kanyang mga hataw na umaabot hanggang rekto.
Pero alam mo, ito si Boli has been doing a lot of attacking from behind the attack line.
Correct.
So talagang mahirapan siya doon. Roses, no problem with that running spike. Again, Suzanne Roses needs to be involved in the offense of San Sebastian if they want to win the championship.
And she likes playing in the finals as well. Was named as the MVP in last conference's finals.
Finals MVP
na kung
siya.
saan sila ang nakakuha ng kanilang unang kampyonato.
Here's the delayed set now. Boli with a block and Maiso nasindak sa presence ni Boli.
Correct. Presence na net importante sa basket. Kailangan makareceive ka para maka-atake ka. Pag ikaw naman ang inatake, the net presence, net defense has to be quick to mark. Especially Balse Bernisco at si Aiza Maiso.
Well, ito ngayon si Luan Latigay with that long serve. Here comes Di Makulangan. Balse tipping it over and Margarita Pepito was nowhere near the area.
They need Margarita Pepito's defense. Remember that she was recognized as the best receiver for the last 2 conferences, including this present conference. They need her to hustle for the ball at buhayin yung bola para maka-atake sila.
5-3 right now. Here comes Boli. Curato. Di Makulangan. Setting up Balse. Nice coverage there by Benito. Ancheta in the air for Boli. And that one drops in for UST. Nice presence there by Di Makulangan and Balse.
And once again, yung suporta sa mga attackers pag ikaw ay nasagot, not present here for San Sebastian.
And this block, of course, by Rhea Di Makulangan is brought to you by Mighty Bond. Mighty fast, mighty strong, Mighty Bond. Down to a 1-point lead for San Sebastian, set number 2. Here comes Ancheta now for San Sebastian. Boli on the angle. And that one is just wide.
And that's impatience. That's impatience already here for Boli. Hindi siya makakonekta sa gitna. She went down the line but ran out of space. 5-all. Second set.
5 puntos sa kada kupunan dito sa ating second set. Nakabalik na yung UST. They were down early. Pepito. Ancheta. Roses. Again. Suzanne Roses is unmarked on offense. Parating lang hinahanap ito si Boli, ito si Latigay, si Banadera. Pero yung Roses, halos walang bantayan.
Kaya importante, maganda yung pangalawang bolang mapupunta kay Chang Enceta para makapili siya. She's doing well but she needs good reception sa kanilang defense.
Here comes Balse and well, whatever reception ang makuha na UST, basta na-handle na si Makulangan, hahatawin na ni Balse yan.
Kasi maganda yung pag-receive nila talaga And they're setting up Perigin Balse from the first set all the way here, bridging the second set, 6 points apiece. Set number 2.
Pepito, Ancheta, back set, Roses, and there she is again. Regalo, hindi na naibalik.
At the rebound na ni Suzanne Roses.
Sabi ni Suzanne, akin na yan.
Akin na.
Hindi nyo na makukuha yan.
Akin na.
Back to a 1-point lead for San Sebastian. Against Suzanne Roses, the former UE Lady Warrior and a mainstay of the national team.
At naglaro na rin dati sa UST.
That is correct. And she's actually won a championship with
Yes,
UST.
naging parte ng isa o dalawang championships for UST.
Well, actually, nakakatuwa nga dito is because When Suzanne Roses played for UST when they won a championship, ang kalaban din nila, San Sebastian.
Bakit hindi? 4 of the last 5 title battles have been between UST and San Sebastian.
Oo. And our first technical timeout, San Sebastian, so far so good for them here in set number 2. They are up by 1. Back at us here, ladies and gentlemen. Ako po si Noel Zarate, kasama si Ronnie Magsanok at si Mozi Rivera. Let's check out some highlights from our first set, brought to you by Cherfer PGM, the first and only multivitamins for teens. There were a lot of long rallies ng ating set number 1, but of course, Mary Jean Balse was the highlight of set number 1. Siya yung highlight.
Definitely. Definitely. Emotions and the way she conducted herself, makikita mo talagang bibong-bibo. Kaya naman, big win in set number 1, but ito San Sebastian nagtatangkang bumalik and trying to equalize here in set number 2.
Bowley serving now for the Lady Stags. Michelle Carolino has only scored 1 point in this game so far. Here comes Luan Latigay on the angle. Carolino is there. Di Makulangan goes back to Michelle. And Michelle Carolino is wide. So Michelle Carolino is not getting many touches here for UST.
Yes, they have gone time and time again to Mary Jean Balse. Hindi pa naman nasusol, but itong si Di Makulangan went dito kay Carolino in the classic win.
If it's Fun Family Pizza, it's gotta be Shakey's. 2-point lead for San Sebastian, 9-7. Carolino dug up there by Pepito. That's a heroic effort for Margarita Pepito, pero ang lakas lang talaga ng palo ni Michelle Carolino.
Michelle Carolino scored 15 points on 14 spikes in game number 2.
Ayan po yung ating power spike brought to you by Cherfer PGM, the first and only multivitamins for teens. 1-point lead na lamang para sa kumpunan ng San Sebastian. Here comes Rhea Di Makulangan, our best setter of the conference. Latigay. Di Makulangan. Backset ngayon para dito kay Maizo. Dug up there by Roses. Ancheta. Latigay out of position. Has to give up the free ball. Di Makulangan. Carolino dug up there by Roses. Regalo para sa kumpunan ng UST. Here comes Maizo. And she finds the corner.
It's very important for San Sebastian to attack when there's an opportunity. Nawalan sila ng atake because of that free ball. UST is quick to bounce on the opposite end. Sobrang sipag ng mga attackers dito ng UST. Really primed themselves dito sa tough battle against San Sebastian.
Tied at 9 right now in a very close second set again. Service ace from Rhea Di Makulangan.
Too many unforced errors once again here in the reception. That's an easy serve to receive para sa ating best receiver na si Pepito.
Well, of course, that service ace is brought to you by Cherfer PGM, the first and only multivitamins for teens.
Yung pressure talaga, no? Iba talaga pag pinasok ang isip mo. Just messes up sometimes your confidence.
Well, let's see if San Sebastian can bounce back from that one. Nice delayed attack from Sasa de Vanadera. Tied at 10.
Who seems to be totally focused. And I feel that de Vanadera, Latigay, and Suzanne Roses are the 3 most confident players right now for San Sebastian. But they need volley. They need Ancheta. And of course, they need Pepito's defense likewise.
Di Makulangan ngayon. Setting up Maizo. Nice dig that time by Bowley. Here's Benito attacking. Balse. Di Makulangan. Maizo. Oh, wow. Isa Maizo. Now starting to become offensive-minded for UST.
Once again, the challenge for San Sebastian is how to receive. UST is getting all the opportunities, getting all the attacks. Kaliwete, nailihis doon sa dalawang blockers ng San Sebastian.
Salamat sa kaibigan natin si J. Marks, the best grilled tuna in town. Mang Mars, binabati ka na naman namin dito. Hinihintay ni Coach Ronnie yung kanyang staff pet size.
Ang sarap yan!
Attacking San Sebastian, that goes long. Nako, UST has taken a 2-point lead here. Roger Kurayev is still not pushing any timeout buttons.
And when you are struggling to get your confidence, sometimes you tend to be impatient. And this is what we are seeing from San Sebastian. Ito na naman yung trend na nakita natin ng first set. Panimula ng San Sebastian, babalik ang UST.
Here comes Benito right now off the block. Bernice Coshi has been quiet here in set number 2. Carolino is starting to make some noise.
Carolino and Maiso starting here in set number 2. Bernisco did the damage together with Mary Jean Balsa in set number 1. San Sebastian has to respond. They have to respond now. They have to respond now.
Dapat ngayon. Huwag
Ngayon
nang
na.
hintayin maging 15-0 yan.
Mahirap,
15-10
mahirap.
yan.
Mahirap mabaon ng 2 sets to nothing.
And here's Benito off the block. Dug up there by Ortiz. Di Makulangan saving it. Free ball by Ko. Does not make it to the net.
Look at Coach Jack De Los Santos here. Tinanggal na yung kanyang jacket.
Oo.
Pati siya nag-iinit na rito.
Oh. Alam natin si Coach Sack, medyo ginawin yan, parati naka-jacket yan. But now, he's taken it off.
Umuulan sa labas.
Oo. Pero ngayon, nakita na natin yung kulay ng kanyang t-shirt ay kulay dilaw. Kasi
Ayun.
kulay ng mga lobo dito sa arena. Aiza Maiso. Here comes Ancheta. Here's Curato now. Oh, they'll go to Michelle Carolino again. And that time, hindi po lumampas ng net. So it'll be 4 touches against USD.
Once again, St. Roses doing the job here. Look at her, just communicating with the rest of her teammates. She knows that they are in dire straits right now. They need to talk. They have to show more emotions here amidst this big surge ng UST.
Well, alam mo, ito si Suzanne Roses. There was a time when Roger Goraya did not want to coach the team. It was Suzanne Roses who had the clipboard.
Yes.
So
That
that
experience na yan.
Yan ang leadership din na pinapakita rito ni Suzanne Roses.
Something that they need right now.
Maizo. Wow. Maizo cannot be stopped. Roger Gorayev now on his feet. Inaatake ni Maizo ang receiving powers nito si Ancheta.
Well, number 1 here, Noel, if the blockers can get the job done.
Oo.
Hindi na aabot dito. Kaya lang, hindi sila na nakaka-block ng maayos.
If it's Fun Family Pizza, it's gotta be Shakey's. Nice reception but nice block also by Maizo. Bowley, hindi sila nagkaintindihan doon. Ito si Benito. Oh! Balser!
Once again, you make the most out of the opportunities given you. Ancheta with a missed set. Free ball. UST coming back. 3-point margin UST midpoint. Second set.
Power Spike brought to you here by Cherryford PGM, the first and only multivitamins for teens. At si Jeng Bowley, mapapanaginipan niyang bolang yan mamayang gabi. Carolino. Pepito. Ancheta. Latigay pushing it over. Maizo. Balse pushing it over again. Attacking is Roses. Di Makulangan. Balse! Into the face of Jen Bowley!
Unbelievable. Unbelievable resolve here shown by the Lady Tigers here. Totally dominating San Sebastian. Likewise here in set number 2.
And they are up by 4. Stay with us. This is the Shakey's League. Balikan po natin ang action dito po sa ating second set from the arena. It is 16-12 in favor of UST over San Sebastian. Courtside report now from Mosi Ravena.
Thank you, Noel. Alam mo, basically, kaya lang naman nagagalit si Coach Roger kasi ang sabi niya, they start off real strong at the start, ano? Pero pagtapos ng technical timeout, mukhang binibigay na nila yung game ng UST, pinababayaan nilang ilaro ng UST yung game nila. At saka sabi niya, etong si Pepito nire-remind niya, yung position niya inside. Siyempre, very important na yung libero will get all the receptions, di ba? At ito pa ng si Latigay naman, ano? Sinabi niya, dapat mag-isip siyang mabuti kung anong klaseng spike ang gagawin niya. Hindi lang panay-palo lang. At ito naman sa UST, mukhang walang problema pagdating sa offense. Ang sabi lang ni Coach Shaq, yung mga little things lang, yung reminder lang niya na pag malayo na yung spiker ng San Sebastian, huwag na mag-block. At saka pag nandiyan naman ang block, ihulog na lang ang bola. So maliliit na bagay lamang. So back to you, Coach Ronnie and Noel.
Hindi maliit na bagay ang ginawa doon ni Mary